name's Nadine Fatella and I'm a senior scientist. I work in the production lab and I focus mainly on pipeline development.
And what do you like most about working at Camina?
I really like the work culture here. We're all very open, transparent and very supportive of one another. We have a fun little thing called a gratitude board where you can highlight nice things people have done for you.
I'm James Allen. I'm a data scientist here at Camina. So I look after all sorts of informatics, things like biosecurity and scanning sequences with standard bioinformatic tools.
Describe Camina in 3 words.
Fun, complex and cutting edge.
Confidence, trust, fun. And no one takes themselves too seriously, they just take the work seriously.